I have BLU Vivo 5 mini and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use apps icon. Then you need to scroll down and choose settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down and choose display. It's under device tab and tap here wallpaper. So you can choose wallpaper from your gallery, from photos or from wallpapers gallery. Let me choose wallpapers. Here let me tap allow. And you should get access to wallpapers from BLU gallery. In my case, let me use for example the following one and tap set wallpaper. That's it. As you can see right now, you should see the new wallpaper on your home screen and also on your lock screen. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.